This is proposed system. System is composed of endoscope camera and smartphone. Endoscope camera shoots tongs chip. Smartphone processes video and records GPS information. System flow is this. On the tongs side, system detects LiDAR and sends image GPS information. On the server side, system estimates the type of LiDAR by receiving image. On the web side, system displays distribution of LiDAR on map. This is demo video. Upper video is tongs chip and lower video is the system user. System estimate peak or unknown. And if a user picks up LiDAR, system produces sound from user's smartphone. Let's start video. When the user picks up PET bottles, system produces sound. Also, when the user picks up tobacco, system produces sound. This is visualization of LiDAR. System displays can, PET bottles, tobacco, paper, and plastic by different colors. Also, system displays quantity of LiDAR. If a user taps one LiDAR, system displays time, user ID, area of the LiDAR.